So here we go. Create 10-minute instructional filler activities, and we're going to use third grade as this example. For the first one, we said what subjects we want these activities to address, and because it's elementary, a variety. Okay, we want some individual ones, we want some group activities, but it's a filler, right? So they need to be fun. Also, because it's something you're doing on the fly when you need them, you probably don't have a lot of materials prepared, so require minimal setup and resources. And because it's instructional, what actually are the kids learning? So I need some content standards as well. All right, so let's try our first example here. As soon as I find my ChatGPT, and let's see if we can create a pool. And this is very basic, obviously. We're not looking for specific types of activities. Just give me a bunch. I'm the teacher. I will use my judgment and pick and choose the ones that I think my kids would like and would apply to my classroom. So what do we got? English language arts, word ladder, setup, standards, whole group, pairs, small group, whole group for mathematics, and on and on and on. Now, obviously, if one of these looks interesting or more, and you want to know more about it, if it's not just immediately obvious, you can say, tell me more about 7, or whichever one it is, if you want some additional instructions. And because we're in the same discussion thread, here is more about that. All right, so that is type 1. Pizza fractions. Everybody does fractions with pizza. There's a lot of ways to do fractions. I don't know why we always go back to pizza, but that's what we do. Okay. And et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so that's number 1.